Does your roof need to be repaired or replaced? Well, the answer to that question can cost you a lot of money. Today we are going to cover a few topics: roof repair, roofing contractors, leaks, water damage, and replacement. First, on average homeowners could possibly spend between $300 and $1,100 for a roof repair, or an average of $650 to fix a roof-related issue. Of course, it depends on what the issue is and how serious. But on average for a repair, this is a good estimate. Leaky roofs can be a tough issue. Some roof leaks are really tough to locate, but don't worry, our professional contractors will find the issue. Did you know that a hole in your siding or leaky windows can appear as a roof leak also? If you see or have a leak, don't put off the roof inspection. Call us today so we can schedule a time to come out and inspect. Hail damage is one of the biggest roof damage issues. Hail damage can appear as dimples or in shingles and granules left in your gutter. But sometimes it's not obvious damage and it can simply weaken the roof and cause a leak later. Water damage and your roof. First and foremost, make sure you address leaks right away to avoid mold and interior water damage. There are signs that you need to address immediately. The big one is a sagging roof. You must call us immediately to address the issue. Our roofing contractors will also work with other companies and your insurance to make sure we mitigate any water damage. Roof replacements might be what the roofers want to do, but most times we can simply repair or patch up the issue. Rancho Cordova Roofing Pros can help you with both. If you do have the roof replaced, the average roof can last anywhere from 15 to 30 years, and your average building or structure can last anywhere from 50 to 100 years. What this means is you can expect to replace a roof at least once during the lifetime of a home or office building. Quick tips. The average roof replacement can cost between $5,000 up to $15,000, but this depends on several factors. Roof leaks. Look for the source of the leak. Plumbing and roof vents are a good place to start, plus chimneys, dormers, or anything that projects through the roof. If you can, check up in your attic. Look for water stains or black marks and possibly even mold. Angie's List member poll showed that nearly 40% who hired a door-to-door roofing contractor said the company did shoddy work. angieslist.com. According to a survey of more than 38,000 homeowners, the average roof repair costs about $800. thespruce.com. Give our team of professional roofing contractors a call today and schedule a time to get an estimate on your roof repair or new roof installation.